To manage Rocket Money savings goals effectively, start by logging into your Rocket Money account and navigating to the Savings Goals section. Here, you can view and manage all your existing savings goals. First, let's create a new savings goal. Click on the Create a New Goal option and enter the name of your goal, the target amount you want to save, and the deadline for achieving this goal. You can also add a description to remind yourself what this goal is for. Once you've created your goal, you can start tracking your progress. Rocket Money allows you to link your bank account and track your income and expenses. This information is used to provide you with personalized recommendations on how much you can save towards your goal each month. To get the most out of Rocket Money, make sure to regularly review and adjust your savings goals. Life circumstances can change, and your goals may need to be adjusted accordingly. You can edit your goal amount, deadline, or even cancel your goal if it's no longer relevant. Another key feature of Rocket Money is the ability to automate your savings. You can set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account, ensuring that you save a fixed amount regularly. This way, you can make consistent progress towards your goal without having to think about it. Best practices for managing Rocket Money savings goals include setting specific and achievable targets, regularly reviewing your progress, and adjusting your goals as needed. It's also essential to prioritize your goals, focusing on the most important ones first. By following these steps and using Rocket Money's features effectively, you can create and manage your savings goals, make steady progress, and achieve financial stability. Remember to stay committed, and with time, you'll reach your goals and develop healthy financial habits.